Happy birthday, Harry Potter!
Daniel Radcliffe, we love you so much.
Okay, so it's not his birthday yet, but today on So Healthy a Kitty Can Cook It, we are going to be making pumpkin juice. Based off the Harry Potter series, let's make some magic. The ingredients and recipe will be listed in the description box below. Don't worry, it's really easy. Celebrate with us by subscribing and hitting the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload another Harry Potter recipe. Subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Get notified. Everybody clap your hands. Happy birthday.